I'm shaking. Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to save me. Don't tell me where we're gonna go. Just take me. Just take me. No second guessing, 'cause I'm hooked on you. You're the exception, breaking all my rules. Worse off for better, nothing less will do. 'Cause all I want is you. Don't tell me where we're gonna go. Just take me. Right now, every time you close, I'm shaking. Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to save me. Don't tell me where we're gonna go. Just take me. Just take me. Just take me. Right now, every time you close, I'm shaking. Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to save me. So don't tell me where you wanna go. Just take me.
I know the balance isn't always clean, and I could love you more than you love me. But if that's the way it's gotta be, then I would do this for eternity. That's what I do for us. That's what I do for love. What would you do for love? 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 If you were broken, dirty on the street, I would recreate your history. I would fight to bring you back to me. But if you told me that I had to leave, that's what I do for us. That's what I do for love. What would you do for love? I'd go down with the fire if it wasn't love. Never look back. I would give you all. Let the whole world light up for you. For you. What would you do for love? I would die in desire if it wasn't love. I got it that bad. I would give you all. Let the whole world light up for you. For you. What would you do for love? What would you do for love? What would you do for love? That's what I do. That's what I do for you. That's what I do. That's what I do for you. What would you do for love? What would you do for love?